Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we change phone date in our Infinix phone. As you want to change your phone date setting, so man, how can you change and guys how can you use guys your phone date setting in your Infinix mobile? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So friend we will on our phone setting to change date, phone date. Then guys scroll it, phone system setting guys, tap here. As you can see guys, date and time setting as tap here. As you can see set date setting as tap here. So as you can see guys, this month list, date list and year list. When you want to change into guys August, September, July, November, December, you can change. Guys you want to change into like 30 September, like 30 September, and we will click on this OK option. Then guys phone date will change. You can see friends. As you can see guys, Friday 30 September. So like that guys, you want to change phone date, you can change, and guys you can use your phone date setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video.